Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to remove a BMW 5 Series steering wheel using an easy method. First, for your safety, always disconnect the car battery in the trunk and wait at least 10 minutes before proceeding. This allows the airbag system to fully discharge. Next, make sure your steering wheel is perfectly straight and your front wheels are aligned. Finally, gather your tools, including a T30 Torx bit, a 16mm socket, and a ratchet. Now, let's move on to safely detaching the airbag. Look for two small access holes on the back of your steering wheel, typically around the 3 and 9 o'clock positions. Insert a T30 Torx bit or a flathead screwdriver into each hole. Gently push inward until you feel the spring clips release, allowing the airbag to pop forward. With the airbag loose, carefully disconnect the two electrical connectors by lifting their locking tabs and pulling them straight out. With the airbag safely removed, you can now access the main steering wheel bolt. Use a 16mm socket and a sturdy ratchet to loosen and remove this central bolt. It can be quite tight, so apply firm pressure. Before pulling the wheel, make a small alignment mark on the steering wheel and the shaft to ensure correct reinstallation. Then, gently rock the steering wheel from left to right while pulling it towards you to slide it off the splined shaft. For reinstallation, carefully slide the steering wheel back onto the shaft, aligning your previous marks. Tighten the central bolt to a torque of 60 to 62.5 Newton-meters. Reconnect all electrical connectors, ensuring they click securely into place. Then, carefully push the airbag back into its housing until the clips engage. Finally, reconnect your car battery and thoroughly test all steering wheel functions, including the horn and controls, to ensure everything works perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.